Some of you might recognize this place because it's where I did my very first YouTube video. It's a place I love to come to relax, but there's a very serious topic I want to talk to you guys about, and I'm going to start it off by telling you this. You are good enough. You are good enough. I want you to think about that through the weekend. And I'm going to tell you again, this is half YouTube, half real life. Let me tell you why I'm bringing it up. I see a lot of people in my real life, in work, who apologize for stuff when there's no need to apologize. I see people in the YouTube world, in the YouTube community, apologizing for not posting videos. Man, you don't need to apologize for anything because you don't owe anybody anything out here. This YouTube thing, look, I want to borrow a quote from Roll Tide 530. It's one of the best things I've heard in a really long time. And he says, my channel is about my life. My life is not about my channel. Ooh-wee, love that. My channel is about my life. My life is not about my channel. You don't owe anybody anything. I was on a conference call this morning, and it was a webinar call, and everybody goes around and they talk about what they did for the week. And this one guy gets on there, and he's usually pretty buttoned up. I mean, he's got his stuff together for the most part. And after the first couple of minutes, he looks down at his phone, and we can see him, you know, he's talking, and he says, hold on a second, guys, I've got some technical difficulties. Hold on a minute. Shuffles some papers around, and then he gets started again. A couple minutes later, he says, hold on, guys, I've got some technical difficulties. Sorry, guys, I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. I've got some technical difficulties. Here's the thing. We didn't see anything in his video that looked like a technical difficulty. We didn't hear anything in his audio that looked like or sounded like a technical difficulty. So I'm thinking, man, you just don't look like you got your stuff together. Here's what I'm getting at. Nobody noticed. Let me flip it to the YouTube world. When people are posting videos and the first thing they say is, hey, sorry I haven't posted in a while. With love, honor, and respect, my friends, 9 times out of 10, nobody noticed. Don't apologize. You don't owe anybody anything. The only person you need to prove something to is yourself. So that sorry, hey, I'm sorry about this, I'm sorry about that, look, it's not sorry. If anything, maybe you feel guilty toward yourself, but when you feel sorry, when you say sorry about something, it's because you've actually wronged somebody. If you haven't posted a video in a couple weeks, man, we get it. I mean, shoot, people are busy. Again, back to what Roll Tide says. My channel's about my life. My life is not about the channel. You haven't wronged anybody, so don't apologize for it, man. Everyone's got their life to live. We're happy when you do put something up because we get to see a peek into your life. And I know this video is a lot different than a lot of them, man. And I've done some videos where I'm on my bike recently, and this one is going to be different. Because it concerns me that people feel sorry, like they got to jump on and say, I'm really sorry, I haven't done. You don't need to make any excuses. Let's go back into our real life, okay? Let's switch gears again, back to the real life. It reminds me of somebody who goes out and gets drunk every Friday night. They do something stupid. On Saturday, they start calling people, and they say, hey man, I'm really sorry about what I said, I was drunk. Quit telling me you're sorry. Don't talk about it, be about it. Talk is cheap. Don't tell me you're sorry. Quit getting drunk and doing stupid shit. You know what I mean? Don't talk about it, be about it. I've said it before and I'll say it a million times, in part to remind myself. Right now, all the stuff that I talk about, it's not because I'm a Yoda master and, you know, I have everything together. Please, talk to the people that know me best. That's definitely not the case, but sometimes I say these things because I like to repeat them because it drills it back into me. Don't talk about it, be about it. Which brings me to my next point. That's the real life point. Let me jump into YouTube. How this relates, people who continually are giving you updates on their channel. Hey man, I'm gonna start doing this on the channel, or hey, this year I'm gonna do this, or don't talk about it, be about it. We'll know when we see it. You know, I don't need to let everybody know my plans. I want to go out and do it, and the thrill I get is when you put something out there and people see it and they're like, damn it, he done it again. Something new coming out. That's the thrill. The thrill is not, hey, let me tell you what I'm gonna do. Now I feel pressured to do it, and then when I don't do it, how do I start my next video? Hey guys, sorry I didn't. Man, forget all that noise. Look, I'm gonna end this video, and I know it's taking a little bit of time. We're coming up on 5 minutes here. I just want you to remember this weekend that you are good enough, damn it. And that's all you need to worry about. You keep doing you. Be creative. We call ourselves creators. Get creative. Man, let's do something new, do something big, but don't talk about it, be about it. Don't apologize for anything. Make those changes if you want to make those changes. If not, easy breezy life. You do you, relax, breathe in, breathe out. Find a nice spot like this, go chill out, get your head right, take some deep breaths, and come at it fresh, man, because you are strong, you are a badass, and I'm really happy that you're here with me throughout this journey. All right, guys, talk to you later. Have a beautiful weekend. Get out there and ride your bikes. Can't wait to see you on the next. Or see you out there in the streets.